Okay, so this is number 258 at Gatwick North Terminal, Premier Inn. So obviously it's like every other Premier Inn, but you know, everyone likes to see it, so I'd always do a little vlog. I just put a key card in the door thingy, that might help. Can't see. There we go. There, we've got lights. There we are. Ta-da! As if by magic. So, little wardrobe area there with a couple of extra pillows, hangers, some bath towels. Oh, quite a large shower. Oh, I wonder if they've done away with the baths now then, because they used to have baths in the room. Still, quite a nice big shower. All looks clean, which is the main thing. Bed with USB socket by the side and a reading light. Lovely Premier Inn mattress, can't fault it. Hi, hair dryer and a mirror, TV, another little bed, and then you've got a desk area full of our junk, kettle and tea, bags, another big mirror, and then we haven't got a runway view. Oh, blimey. I just got knocked out by a curtain rail. So here we are, which is handy. That drop-off zone down there, you can park there for 10 minutes free if you're a guest at the Premier Inn. All you need to do is at reception when you check in, give them the number plate. They'll register it for you so you don't get charged. Otherwise, if you don't, it's a £7 charge to park there. And then when we go to check in the morning, how convenient is that? Because you just go up that escalator. Fabulous. So there you have it.
Hello.
Guess where we are, guys. I couldn't film too much on the plane, but I did take some photographs of the meals, and I'll tell you about them. There was like a chicken pie with a pastry top, wasn't it? And green beans, mashed potato. That was really nice, actually. And the kids' meal was sweet corn, peas, chicken tenders, and tater tots, wasn't it? She ate the chicken tenders, so they couldn't have been that bad.
Yeah.
And a chocolate pudding and a drink, wasn't it? We flew with TUI, and we only booked this about 21 days ago. So we're just come on the op because we found a good deal. So we're staying at the Rosen Inn International on International Drive for 10 nights. And we don't know what we're going to be doing yet, but we know we're going to do some resort hopping and things like that. Ride the Skyliner, and this is like a budget sort of trip because next September we're coming back and we're staying on Disney and doing the Disney dining plan and all that. So we've literally just got here. We flew into Melbourne, which we've never flown into before. Much smaller, quieter airport. It's taken us about an hour and a half
It took exactly an hour
to
and
get
31
here
minutes
on the coach.
with another stop
which
at
Rosen in at Point. Yeah, there wasn't very many people on the coach. So it is a bit of a journey once you've been flying for 9 hours. I mean, she slept. So just bear that in mind. The airport's lovely. The TUI staff were really friendly, and it was, you know, really smooth getting through baggage claim and all that. But we had to wait for her baggage to come off, and it typically will come off last, didn't it? So, but there we are. It's boiling hot here, and we're going to enjoy ourselves and get up to some nonsense and see what we...
We're not getting up to any nonsense.
No, but just, you know,
We're not.
we're just going to poodle about
Put
and
with us.
do some exploring, and I think we're just going to get changed now in a minute and get the little lady a Mackie D, and
Swimming.
don't know what we're going to do later, but
Swimming day.
we are quite tired. Swimming
So
tomorrow
that's swimming.
probably.
No
Right, so we'll catch up with you in a little while. Bye. I'm just going to show you a little tour of the room because you love your little room tours. We have stayed here before in this building actually, but we was on the sixth floor. So what room number is this, Nige?
2420.
2420.
So the 2 is the building, the 4 is the floor, and then 20 is your room.
So we have got, hang on, some sort of pool view. We've got a big tree in the way. But anyway, this is the room.
And you can just see Volcano
We've
Bay.
just moved the chair in front of the door because all you get is that little latch. So we prefer to put the door there so somebody doesn't do the off.
Oh, in a minute.
So we've got a desk and a chair and a cupboard. We've got a lamp, 2 double-sized beds, I would say, and a safe. We've got an alarm clock with some USB chargers there. Quite deep drawers. TV. A wardrobe. No Nigel hiding in it this time. And then we've got a little like sliding doors here. Hang on a minute, babes. Just sections off the bathroom a bit. And then we've got a sort of like kitchenette area there with a microwave and a decent size fridge. So that's handy. A hairdryer, towels, an extra loo roll. And then we've got a toilet with shower, some complimentary toiletries and a little tub. So this will do us for 10 nights. Iron and ironing board there.
Are you going to hide and seek in here?
Yeah.
It's not big enough.
So there, that's the room. at the Rosen International on International Drive. So we come to Chili's, just down the road. We're at stop
8, 6, 8, 8.
We're at stop 10 and this is stop 8.
Yeah, I thought you meant where are we now?
So we just ordered. There's a children's menu, look. Brooke's going to have chicken tenders and fries. We've got a cocktail list. And I do quite fancy the look of that one. What one was it called? Oh, Tito's Punch. But for now I've got strawberry lemonade. So, to start with, Nigel ordered the dip trio with guacamole, salsa, and what was that one?
Don't know. Some sort of...
We ordered some egg rolls. These are my absolute favourite. And I got a house salad. Want to say hello to people, Brooke? Oh, you want Bluey? Careful, there's someone behind you. Chicken tenders and fries. Nigel's shrimp Cajun pasta. And Brooke's chicken tenders are coming now. Didn't they, Brooke? Yeah.